Albert Einstein, the eldest child of a religious middle-class Jewish couple, Hermann and Pauline, was born in Ulm, Germany on the 14th of March 1879. Hermann was an engineer and had a factory that produced dynamos. Einstein was a slow learner as a child and spoke very slow. In fact, he didn't talk until he was 3 years old. At first, his teacher thought of him as stupid because he would take a long time in solving mathematical problems for a while, so his teacher thought he was rather slow. But actually, he was thinking about better ways of doing it. But negating the myth, he was an excellent student in algebra, geometry, mathematics, trigonometry, differential geometry. In fact, he was a straight A student in all science-related subjects. As a child, Einstein revealed an extraordinary curiosity for understanding the mysteries of science. As a boy, one of the first things his father gave him was a magnetic compass encounter with a compass at age 5, where he marveled at the invisible forces that turned the needle, and that marked the beginning of Einstein's quest for knowledge. Like a typical child, Einstein also took music lessons, playing both the violin and the piano, a passion that followed him into adulthood. Moving first to Italy and then to Switzerland, the young prodigy graduated from high school in 1896. In June 1902, Einstein got a job at a patent office in Bern. In 1905, while working as a patent clerk in Bern, Switzerland, Einstein had what came to be known as his annus mirabilis. It was during this time that the young physicist obtained his doctorate degree and published 4 of his most influential research papers, including the special theory of relativity. In that, the now world-famous equation E is equal to mc square unlocked mysteries of the universe theretofore unknown. Einstein took mass, or an atomic weight of a substance, and speed of light, which is constant, and expressed its relation to energy in a simple equation. E is equal to mc square, and that is power. Ten years later, in 1915, Einstein completed his general theory of relativity, and in 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics.
I am glad that you have me given the opportunity of expressing to you here my deep sense of gratitude.
Einstein worked on many other influential theories and projects, including the deflection of light by gravity, the quantum theory of atomic motion in solids, Brownian motion, an explanation for capillary action, and much more. Einstein's love for science never diminished until the 17th of April 1955. Einstein suffered an abdominal aortic aneurysm and experienced internal bleeding. He was taken to the University Medical Center at Princeton for treatment, but refused surgery. Einstein died at the University Medical Center early the next morning. That's 18th of April 1955, at the age of 76.
Messages of condolence have been flooding into Princeton, New Jersey since early this morning, when the death of Albert Einstein was announced to the world.